night sky, smoke curls whispering lies. Boots scuff the dirt, can't hide what's hurt. A guitar hums low, like it knows what we don't know. This campfire is an amplifier, screaming louder than the choir. Truth burns in the flickering glow. Sing it out, let the embers grow. Shadows dance like they got no shame. Fingers pluck chords that howl my name. Stars don't blink, they're too damn cold. But this fire's got a story to be told. Ashes fall, ashes rise, every spark's a compromise. This campfire is an amplifier, screaming louder than the choir. Truth burns in the flickering glow. Sing it out, let the embers grow. Crackling wood like the beat of a drum. Every snap says the night's come undone. Is it heat or the past we're feeling, or the sound of the truth revealing?